I am Phyllis Novak, and I'm the Artistic Director of Sketch Working Arts. The nuts and bolts of a shared platform are really foundational elements to be able to bring ideas into fruition. So interestingly enough, we didn't really choose to be a shared platform right away, but this is why it's kind of a beautiful thing, is that it really came about because of the agency that the young people were demonstrating at a certain time, I guess, in their participation with us. There was simply a period where they had exhausted themselves even in the programming structure of becoming a leader, and they began to need that next step of partnership in bringing their work out into the broader community. And so it's really the young people who have led the way for us into this whole realm of being a shared platform. And we're really thankful for the opportunity to create with them what that means.